Welcome to my SCADA tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to download, install, and license our software. When using mySCADA, you have to download two files. The first one is the project creation tool, myDESIGNER. Go to myDESIGNER page on the websites and download myDESIGNER at the bottom of the page. Then do the same with the runtime called myPro. Go to the web page and download. The installation process is pretty easy. Double-click myDESIGNER icon. Confirm the language. Accept the conditions. And select your preferred choices. Then the installation is ready to start. Open mySCADA Pro installer icon. Accept the conditions. And follow the instructions as before to complete your installation process. After installing mySCADA Manager, downloading the runtime starts automatically in the section Update. This only happens if you are connected to the Internet. Here you can see the running version. When there are multiple versions, you can easily switch between them. For correct licensing, copy and paste your hardware ID to your account at mySCADA websites. Then copy the license key from my SCADA account and paste it into my Pro Manager. Now my SCADA software is licensed. Do the same with myDESIGNER. Open myDESIGNER icon. Find the hardware ID in section License. Copy and paste to your SCADA account. Download your license. Click Provide License File in section License. Open the downloaded file on your computer. Restart myDESIGNER to apply Enterprise version. Now it is licensed and ready to use. Thank you for your attention.